Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Blackview 15.6-inch FHD portable laptop extender. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. So as we get the box open here, just going to walk you through kind of some key pieces to start with, then we'll actually demonstrate it. Connection. This is really nice, kind of a nice leather look. Very soft and smooth. Inside of this is going to be your triple extender. Also going to be a very hard surface, so be aware that that's a protective surface. Try and get this open here. We will remove all this stuff and demonstrate and all that stuff, but I just want to show you kind of the general concept. Is that this is going to hang on the top of your laptop and stretch and hold, and then this will kind of be on the sides to connect. I don't know if you can see that, but those flap open. So we'll go ahead and get it all set up here. Close this up and then we'll connect. Instruction manuals, quick start guide. We'll have a nice little USB stick, which is a nice little feature. It usually doesn't come with this. This is kind of unique to this brand. I've never seen that before. But you'll have a USB-C or USB-A. I kind of like that. I'm not sure how much juice is in that, but we'll test that out. You'll have USB-C to USB-C. Now some of these are going to be for power, some of these are going to be for your video conversion or your for the screen conversion. This is going to be USB-A to USB-C. We'll have another USB-C to USB-C, and then we'll have our straight power plug, USB-C plug. So as mentioned, we'll go ahead and get this plugged in, test it out on my laptop, and we'll take it from there. All right, so as you can see, we've got 3 different displays. You'll obviously have to use your settings to kind of work with that. On the back, just want to show you that it does have a kind of a stand depending on how high you want it to be and what the connection needs to be and everything like that. I do have it connected via USB-A here, and I'm using a backup power supply. This would just plug right into a wall outlet typically, but I'm using it as a just a portable outlet to kind of show you. And then there's just 2 connections in the back, so really makes it a beautiful display. It looks great, frankly, and definitely worth buying to me. Hopefully this review has helped you. Thanks for watching.